Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com. I want to talk about the land sale, the Loaded Lion Land NFT. I want to talk about the price of crypto.com. The entire market still getting relatively bearish based on all the FUD that's coming out about Binance and the overall space of crypto as a whole. So let's get into this, guys. So thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. So subscribe now. So let's hop into this. So guys, we are 6 days away from the land reveal. I am super excited about this, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that the price of land is going to moon when the reveal comes out? Do you think it's going to tank? What do you think is going to happen? I'm curious on what you guys think the peak price will be for the mythic level land or the block land that they call it. I think that there's a good chance it'll be in the thousands. We'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. I'm super excited. I personally got one piece of land the other day. I'm looking to probably get some more. But I think that there's probably a good chance that the floor price comes down on the common level pieces of land when it first gets revealed. But time will tell. Time will tell. I've been a part of a lot of different NFT projects, and it's kind of a hit or miss. Sometimes when the reveal happens, the price of the project moons, or when the reveal happens, it drops down for a week or so, and then it finds itself its actual floor, and then will bounce back up. But regardless, I'm looking to buy more pieces of land. I'm super excited about this. I know Crypto Kip has like 26 pieces of land, something like that right now. I think he told me he's about done, but I don't know. It's fun. It's fun. It's like collecting cards. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's a good time. It's fun. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. How many pieces of land you got? I mean, we're 6 days away, guys. 6 days away. So let's talk about CRO coin, because guys, we have touched the support out of this really big channel here between the 10 cents and the 5.5 cents range, and we are potentially making a lower low right here, which is really unfortunate, guys, which is very, very unfortunate. We wicked down through this, but we have not closed underneath this. If we close underneath this 5.5 cent mark, I mean, to be honest with you guys, we're going to have a lot of, we're going to have to be looking closely. We're going to have to be looking closely to see where we're going. But if we do break, I don't think that we'll break below this unless we have some time capitulation. But I was definitely surprised that we touched this level here. But I mean, that's what happens when Bitcoin comes down, the overall traditional market comes down. It just happens. And I will say also, it is the weekend. The weekend trading, you should never trade on the weekend for Bitcoin. I mean, that's not financial advice, but it's just really, really difficult to know what is going to happen on the weekend. And a lot of the times it's like wash trading, where on Friday you get a mini capitulation to the upside or the downside, and then come the Sunday close and on Monday open, it just completely erases all of it. So that's just something to keep in mind when we're looking at this chart as we're retesting the support here right at the 5.5 cent mark. But guys, great buying opportunity. I bought some Ethereum and some Bitcoin yesterday. I bought a little bit of CRO yesterday. It's a great buying opportunity, guys. Buy the blue chip or the coins that you have true conviction in. I wouldn't recommend buying any altcoins really outside of crypto.com and like maybe honestly, I'm only really buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto.com at this point. There's lots of opportunity out there to be buying other things. I mean, I'm playing around Solana, but mainly for the NFT ecosystem. But be very careful. Be very careful, and these altcoins could drop another 95%. Just keep that in mind. Back in 2018, when we had these, when I think I was into Neo, and I remember Neo went down. A lot of these coins would go down 90. Like after Bitcoin went down about 80%, you'd see these coins go from their all-time high down 90%, and then guess what? It would go down another 90%. You know, people don't really think about it in terms of percentages like that, but it is possible for your initial investment to be cut in half again, and cut in half again, and go to zero. It is possible when you're playing around with some of these altcoins that, you know, that aren't very, that haven't proven the test of time, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Crypto.com. And you know, Crypto.com could be very bloody. We could come down further, but I'm still gonna buy it because I know it will recover. I know it will recover. We beat the highest amount of FUD, guys. We surpassed that and we came back stronger. I'm not worried about Crypto.com at all. But this is a line to keep in mind. This is a line to be paying attention to, guys. The 5 is a little bit. It's like 5-6 cents. It's not really 5.5 cents. It's a little bit higher than that, but I would say 5.5 cents. If we break below that, then be looking closely, guys. Be looking closely. There's going to be some great buying opportunities if we break below that. Honestly, right now is a great buying opportunity. But so over on Bitcoin, we tried to break out. We tried to break into this, back into this formation, and we unfortunately got rejected, guys. Which, man, I did not want to see that, but we did, and that means that we're going to be playing with this line for a little while, guys. We're going to see what happens. I mean, we're going to be playing with this 17,800 price target on Bitcoin, and we really need to see a break above this to see some bigger price moves and some bullish continuation in the overall market. You know, it's a thing, guys. Time. You got to be patient. I mean, we're definitely getting close to the point right now where if we don't turn around soon, this will have been the longest downward trend on Bitcoin. It's very interesting. Very interesting. But we have to. That's only if we don't turn around soon. I do think that there's a great chance here that we'll be turning around soon, leading up to 365 days to the Bitcoin halving. But let's take a look at Binance. You know, I've been seeing all these articles, all this FUD about Binance, and they're talking about, oh, Binance coin, BNB coin took such a massive hit because of all this FUD. It's like, no, not really. I mean, from the other day, I mean, we are down about 24% from, when was this? The beginning of December. But guys, like, so is the entire market. These media platforms are really trying to capitalize on this FUD and really, really push crypto down. And honestly, it really bothers me because they're just they're scaring people. They're scaring people because they're making a profit off of your fear, and it's a problem. It's all these agendas, and it's really unfortunate because they're scared of this. They're scared of cryptocurrency. The big banks are scared of cryptocurrency, and they're trying to scare you out of it. They're trying to crush it, but they won't. They won't be able to. They won't be able to. Maybe they'll ban it, but guess what? People will still use it. It still will be a technology that's trustless. Just keep that in mind. Let's go over at the S&P 500. We rejected off this the other day. Hopefully on Monday we will see we won't come down all the way to here. I mean, if I were to draw a line, I mean, man, I really hope we aren't going to come down like that. I mean, we totally could, but the Fed was so dovish in their talks from the FOMC meeting. I don't see us coming all the way down here. That would be absolutely brutal to come and like retest like the pandemic lows. That would be absolutely brutal. But I mean, the stock market can be brutal, and if that happens, that could probably bring Bitcoin down with it. So be prepared, guys. Be prepared. But I will say, I'll leave off with the hopium because this chart makes me so bullish. I mean, leading up to the Bitcoin halving, guys, we always have between a 50 to 100% rally. So keep that in mind, guys. I mean, we are getting closer and closer to 365 days of the Bitcoin halving. So I do believe that if we, you know, everyone's so bearish right now, and we still haven't broke below previous lows. If we get to like 14K, I'm not even going to be super bearish at 14K. But if we break below 14K, that might be a little bit different. I do think that if we haven't already put the bottom in, we are very, very close to. And We're going to be on our way up in no time, guys. We're really going to be on our way up in no time. We are 365 days leading up to the Bitcoin halving. We're going to start rallying. We're going to start rallying. So keep that in mind. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. If you want some free money, we have tons of free money in the description box below. $600 Binance sign-on bonus. We have up to $8,000 when you sign up with BitGet. There's lots of free money in the description box below. I really appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.